Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bungee chairs for comfort that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zenithen IC544S TV04 Bunjo Bungee Dish Chair. The Zenithen Bungee Dish Chair is a delightful option that can take your leisure time to a new level. So, if you're looking for a fun piece to amp up the living room or any other interior space, this one will surely meet all requirements. To begin with, we're very impressed with its sturdy construction, comprising a black 600D polyester rim and a steel tubing base. If you want a bungee chair that can sustain regular use, this one will not disappoint. Furthermore, it's a foldable model, meaning you can easily store it in any corner when not in use. This makes it pretty much an on-demand piece of furniture that can be accessed and stowed away as per requirements. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Euro-style Bungie low-back office chair. Up next, we have picked the Euro-style Bungie office chair, another excellent option that delivers comfort and style. If the last option seemed a little too informal for your taste, we recommend buying this model to add a sophisticated touch to any indoor location. First things first, we cannot get enough of its low-profile, streamlined look, which blends with any existing setup without a hitch. Therefore, if you're looking for a bungee model that's functional yet unobtrusive, this one surely checks the box. We like how the cord seat ensures superior comfort and durability, so you can make the most of this personalized sitting experience. However, what seals the deal for us is the powder-coated steel frame, which delivers maximum performance and reliability. To further add to your convenience, the chair allows height and swivel adjustment, which just makes it a very inclusive option. Besides, the nylon base featuring 5 casters enables ease of mobility and improved comfort. At number 3, we have the Campfield Bungee Folding Dish Chair. Bungee chairs make for a great relaxation spot, so you can unwind without feeling the physical strain of sitting. So, if you want such a reliable option in the mid-price range, the Campfield Bungee Folding Dish Chair is bound to impress. It has some great features and is easily among the versatile options on this list. First off, we're very impressed with the convenience and practicality it offers, allowing you to use the chair in any preferred location. It's suitable for indoor and outdoor applications, and as such, it works in all places, including bedrooms, living areas, balconies, gardens, or beaches. We really like the elastic rope seat, made from import-quality rubber that delivers strength and durability. Apart from that, the steel pipe base ensures rust-proof and durable performance. Therefore, if you want something that can withstand heavy use without suffering from deformities, get this right away. It's easy to carry and store, thanks to the one-step folding function, which keeps things simple. Lastly, it has a weight capacity of up to 300 libyo, which works even if you're on the heavier side. At number 2, we have the Davidson Bungee Office Task Chair. We're halfway through our recommendations, and now is a good time to introduce the Davidson Bungee Office Task Chair. This is another super stylish option that deserves a dedicated space in your home or office. So, if that sounds good, check this out stat. There are many reasons, but let's begin with the design. For starters, we're absolutely stoked about the modern and minimalistic appearance of the chair, which seamlessly syncs with any interior setup. Whether you want something for home, office, or commercial use, this one will provide the perfect seating arrangement. We also like the 5-star shaped base equipped with a tilt swivel mechanism, delivering a more personalized experience. Plus, the pneumatic gas height adjustment is a significant advantage for shorter users who want to sit comfortably higher, and the best part about it is the tilt lock feature, keeping things safer and hassle-free. And finally, at number 1, we have the Timber Ridge Fraser Deluxe Bungee. It's often challenging to find a chair that offers comfort, stability, and portability at the same time. The Timber Ridge Fraser Deluxe Bungee chair, however, has managed to satisfy these criteria excellently. Famous for its bungee support suspension and slightly tilted back design, the chair aims to provide a seating experience unlike any other. What struck us about this bungee chair was the level of comfort and support it offered. The seat and back are cushioned with foam padding, providing ideal back support, central to a comfortable seating experience. Given its measurements of 22.4 LX 36WX 18.18 inches and a weight capacity of up to 300 lbs, the chair guarantees ample space and stability for users of various sizes. Yet, another advantage of this chair is its range of integrated features. It comes with a built-in cup holder, perfect for those who enjoy sipping their favorite drink while lounging, and a mesh pocket underneath the seat, making it handy to store commonly used items like a phone. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.